Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we are solving some SSC pre-examination paper 2017 and here we are given some questions. So the first question we have is a person spends 30% of his income. So it's given that the person spends 30% of his income on food. 20% he spends on his children's education and 60% of remaining on the house rent. Now we'll have to find out what percent of income is left with him. So now let's start. Okay, let the income of the man is rupees 100. So let the income of the man is equals to rupees 100. Then expense on food, then expense on food is equals to rupees 30 because it's given that 30% he spends on food. And the expense on children's education, the expense on children's education is equals to rupees 20. Now the balance income is the balance income is 100 minus 30 minus 20, that is equals to rupees 50. And then the expense on rent is it is said that 60% of the remaining, so it is 60% of rupees 50. So now the expense on rent is 50 into 60 by 100, that is equals to rupees 30. Now the balance amount is again the balance amount is rupees 50 minus rupees 30, that is equals to rupees 20. So the required percentage is, the required percentage is 20 by 100 into 100, that is equals to 20%. So here 20% of the income is left with him. So here option A is the correct answer, that is 20. Now let's proceed to our next question. Okay, here is the next question. The question is, a man rides his vehicle at the rate of 36 km per hour. So the speed of the vehicle is 36 km per hour but stops for 12 minutes. So he stops for 12 minutes to change paths at the end of every 14th kilometer. Now what we'll have to find out is what will be the time taken to cover a distance of 90 km. And here again 4 options are given. So now let's start. Okay, the halt time in the distance of 90 km, halt time in the distance of 90 km is equals to 90 by 14, that is almost 6 times approximately. That is equals to 6 into 12, that is equals to 72 minutes. Now the time is equals to, we all know that time is equals to distance by speed. Now here it is known that the speed is 36 km per hour and the distance is 90 km. This is also given, so we will put the values here. That is 90 by 36 hour is the time, that is 5/2 hour. Now the total time taken to complete the total time taken to complete the journey on halt of every 14 km, complete the journey on halt of every 14 km is equals to 5/2 hour plus 72 minutes. Okay, that is equals to 5/2 plus 72 by 60 hour. Okay, now okay, I'll do the rest part here. Well, that is equals to, by solving this we can write it as 5/2 plus 6/5, that is equals to 25 plus 12 by 10, that is equals to 37/10 hour is equals to 3 into 7/10 hour, that is equals to 3 plus 7/10 hour equals to 3 plus 7/10 into 60 minutes. This is 3 hour plus 42 minute is equals to 3 hour 42 minute. So the required time is 3 hour and 42 minutes. This is option C is the correct answer.